Pepsi, a name that resonates with people across the globe. Just the name conjures up images of icy cold refreshment, a burst of flavor that invigorates the senses and quenches your thirst. It's a brand synonymous with fun, flavor, and good times. Whether it's a lively party, a casual get-together with friends, or a family picnic, Pepsi is always there to enhance the moment. From bustling cities to remote villages, Pepsi's distinctive logo is recognized around the world. It transcends borders and cultures, becoming a universal symbol of refreshment. But how does this iconic beverage go from a simple idea to a global phenomenon? It all starts with a spark of creativity and a vision to create something extraordinary. Join me as we journey inside the Pepsi Mega Factory to uncover the secrets behind this beloved drink. We'll delve into the heart of the operation and see what makes Pepsi a household name. We'll explore the fascinating process of turning raw ingredients into millions of bottles of Pepsi, ready to quench the world's thirst. From the initial mixing to the final bottling, every step is meticulously planned and executed. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of production lines, bottling plants, and distribution networks. It's a complex and intricate system that ensures Pepsi reaches every corner of the globe. We will uncover the magic that happens behind the scenes at the Pepsi Mega Factory. The dedication and hard work of countless individuals come together to create this iconic beverage. Prepare to be amazed by the technology, precision, and sheer scale of this operation. Let's go. The journey of Pepsi from concept to consumer is nothing short of extraordinary. Before we can crack the code of Pepsi's manufacturing process, we need to understand what goes into this iconic drink. Pepsi is more than just a beverage. It's a carefully crafted experience. Like any good recipe, Pepsi starts with quality ingredients. Each component is selected with precision to ensure the final product is nothing short of perfection. The foundation of Pepsi is water. This isn't just any water, it undergoes rigorous filtration and purification processes. It's the lifeblood of the beverage and needs to be filtered and purified to perfection. The purity of the water is crucial for the overall taste and quality of Pepsi. Next up, we have sugar, the ingredient that gives Pepsi its satisfying sweetness. The type and amount of sugar used are meticulously measured to achieve that perfect balance. Pepsi also uses carbon dioxide, which gives it that signature fizz. This effervescence is what makes each sip of Pepsi so refreshing and enjoyable. And of course, we can't forget the secret blend of flavors that gives Pepsi its unique taste. These flavors are a mix of natural and artificial ingredients, combined in a way that only a few people in the world know. These flavorings, often referred to as Pepsi essence, are carefully guarded trade secrets. The exact formula is locked away, known only to a select few. Pepsi also contains caffeine for a little pick-me-up. This ingredient not only adds to the flavor, but also provides that extra boost of energy and phosphoric acid to balance the sweetness. This acid is essential for giving Pepsi its tangy edge, balancing out the sweetness of the sugar. These key ingredients, blended in precise proportions, form the base of the Pepsi we know and love. Each bottle is a testament to the meticulous process and the passion that goes into creating this beloved beverage. Now let's step inside the heart of the Pepsi Mega Factory and witness the transformation from raw materials to bubbly goodness. The process begins with creating the Pepsi syrup. This concentrated mixture contains all the flavors, sugar, and other ingredients. Giant stainless steel tanks, resembling something out of a science fiction film, are used to mix and heat the ingredients. The syrup is then carefully cooled and filtered to ensure consistency and purity. Once the syrup is ready, it's time to introduce the fizz. This is where the carbon dioxide comes in. Huge tanks inject pressurized CO2 into the syrup, creating the characteristic bubbles we associate with Pepsi. This process, called carbonation, transforms the syrup into the refreshing soda we know. The carbonated Pepsi is then ready for the next stage, bottling. The bottling process is a marvel of modern engineering. First, let's talk about the bottles themselves. Pepsi bottles are typically made from polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, a lightweight and shatter-resistant plastic. These bottles are manufactured on-site using sophisticated blow molding machines. A small plastic preform, resembling a test tube, is heated and then inflated with high-pressure air to create the bottle shape. The bottles are then thoroughly rinsed and sterilized to ensure they're clean and ready to receive the precious Pepsi. High-speed filling machines precisely dispense the carbonated Pepsi into each bottle, leaving just the right amount of headspace. Caps are then applied and sealed airtight to lock in the freshness and prevent any leaks. Section 5. Quality first, ensuring a perfect Pepsi every time. Quality control is paramount at every stage of Pepsi's production. Throughout the entire process, from raw materials to the finished product, samples are rigorously tested in the on-site laboratory. Highly trained technicians use advanced equipment to check for things like sugar content, carbonation levels, and flavor consistency. Any batch that doesn't meet Pepsi's strict standards is rejected. Even the bottles themselves undergo scrutiny. Automated inspection systems use high-speed cameras and sensors to detect any imperfections, such as cracks or deformities in the bottles. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every bottle of Pepsi leaving the factory meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Section 6. On the move. Pepsi's journey to your hands. Once the bottles are filled, capped, and inspected, they're whisked away on conveyor belts to the packaging area. Here, robotic arms swiftly arrange the bottles into packs of 6, 12, or 24. These packs are then placed into larger cardboard boxes ready for distribution. The entire process is a symphony of motion, a testament to the efficiency and automation that defines the Pepsi Mega Factory. From the factory, the Pepsi begins its journey to consumers. A fleet of delivery trucks, emblazoned with the Pepsi logo, transports the soda to warehouses and distribution centers. From there, the Pepsi is delivered to stores, restaurants, and vending machines, ensuring it's available wherever and whenever thirst strikes. Section 7. The Pepsi Challenge. Marketing a global icon. Pepsi's success isn't just about making a great product, it's also about marketing it effectively. The brand has mastered the art of connecting with its audience through innovative and engaging campaigns. Over the decades, Pepsi has become a master of advertising, creating memorable campaigns that resonate with consumers worldwide. These advertisements have not only promoted the product, but also created a cultural impact, making Pepsi a household name. From celebrity endorsements featuring global icons like Michael Jackson and Beyoncé to catchy jingles and slogans that stick in your mind long after you've heard them, Pepsi knows how to capture attention and build brand loyalty. The brand's ability to create a sense of community and shared experience among its consumers is unparalleled. The iconic Pepsi Challenge blind taste tests, for example, positioned Pepsi as a bold challenger to its main competitor, capturing the spirit of a generation. These taste tests were more than just a marketing gimmick. They were a statement of confidence in the product's quality. Pepsi also understands the importance of staying relevant. In a rapidly changing market, the brand continuously adapts to new trends and consumer preferences. The brand constantly evolves its marketing strategies to connect with new generations of consumers. Whether it's through innovative digital campaigns or interactive social media content, Pepsi ensures it remains at the forefront of consumer minds. From sponsoring major sporting events like the Super Bowl and the UEFA Champions League to embracing digital and social media platforms with influencer partnerships and viral content, Pepsi ensures its message reaches consumers where they are. The brand's digital presence is strong, engaging with audiences on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. This constant innovation and adaptation are key to Pepsi's enduring popularity. By staying ahead of the curve and continuously reinventing itself, Pepsi remains a global icon in the beverage industry. Section 8. The birth of a beverage. Pepsi's humble beginnings. Pepsi's story began in a small drugstore in New Bern, North Carolina in 1893. Caleb Bradham, a pharmacist, was experimenting with different beverage recipes when he created a refreshing concoction he called Brad's Drink. It was an instant hit with his customers, who enjoyed its unique flavor and ability to aid digestion. In 1898, Bradham renamed his creation Pepsi Cola, believing in its pep-boosting properties. From these humble beginnings, Pepsi Cola steadily gained popularity, eventually evolving into the global brand we know today. Section 9. Conclusion. Innovation, the secret ingredient. From its humble beginnings in a North Carolina drugstore to its status as a global beverage giant, Pepsi's journey is a testament to the power of innovation. The Pepsi Mega Factory, with its advanced technology, efficient processes, and unwavering commitment to quality, embodies this spirit of innovation. Every bottle of Pepsi is a result of a complex and fascinating process, driven by a relentless pursuit of perfection. So, the next time you reach for a refreshing Pepsi, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity, technology, and hard work that went into bringing that iconic beverage to your hands.